boys and girls, welcome to Mrs. Stelzig's classroom workshop. Today we are here to talk all about moms, or that special lady in your family. So most of you know that Mother's Day is coming up. It's this Sunday. Usually if we were in class we would be making lots of projects for our special ladies, but since we're not able to be in class, I wanted to share some ideas with you on some things that you can make at home for your mom. Now, a lot of times moms like to be surprised, but we know that this year is very different, so it's okay if mom catches a glimpse of this, or if she sees it, she'll appreciate your efforts. How do I know? Because not only is Mrs. Stelzig a teacher, but I'm also a mom. So, back a while ago we showed an idea on some puppets. These are the puppets that Chloe and Anna made of the moms. You could make a puppet that looks like your mom. She would love that, okay? That's one idea. Another thing that you could do is you could take your necklace. If you still have your necklace from Hundreds Day, you could carefully untie it, take some of the beads off, and you could restring a new necklace for your mom. You could turn it into a bracelet. You could turn it into a keychain. You could turn it into a wind chime or something pretty to hang. One of my favorite things to wear, and I know you've seen me wear it around school, is this necklace that my daughter Anna made when she was in daycare at Kona's. So these are some ideas. So if you have your necklace, moms love jewelry. Another thing is if you are out or ever able to get out, Dollar Tree has these little canvases and you get 3 of them for $1. You could do all kinds of your own art on it. Draw your favorite thing, draw a picture of your mom, paint some flowers, put your handprint. Anyway, these are just some ideas. Another thing that you could do, we usually do this in class, but you could write, I love my mom because, and then tell why you love your mom. You could ask another person in your house to help you with this. I'm sure mom wouldn't mind helping sound out words too if mom's the only one. But you could take a picture of you holding up that writing. This is what we did when Chloe was in kindergarten, and we were going to do it this year, but as I said, things are different. But she's holding the I love my mom because, and then I have this hanging up in a very special place. Moms love anything you do. It's the thought that counts. We just went outside and we picked some flowers and some greenery. You could take a bottle, a jar, anything you have, and you could pick a fresh bouquet for your mom, and she would love it. And don't worry, moms love all flowers, even those beautiful yellow weeds. They love anything that you do because you put your heart into it. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw some birds that you can then paint or color and give to your mom or your special lady for a gift. So you're going to need to get a piece of paper, any size works, and you need something to draw with. If you need to pause this video to gather your materials, go ahead. But we're going to go ahead and get started. So this is going to be a picture of some birds. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to come up from the bottom and you are going to draw a wavy line all the way across the bottom. Very good. Then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to come over here on this side of your paper and kind of at an angle, you're going to tip and make an oval shape like that. Good. And then you're going to come up a little bit and you're going to tip your oval going the other way. what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come right here and you're going to go line down all the way to that bottom wiggly line you did. And then you're going to come here and you're going to make another one all the way down. And then you're going to come over here and you're going to make your straight line down like this. And you're going to come over here and make your straight line down like this. And then right here you're going to go whoosh, whoosh, whoosh 3 times. Then you're going to come right here and you're going to make a point up and a point back down. You're going to come right here and make a little round eye. And then right here you're going to make a little oval shape. Alright, now on this one you're going to come over here and you're going to go line down, sort of thin, not too thick. And then you're going to come over here and do it again, line down, line down. And then right here you're going to do whoosh, whoosh, whoosh 3 times. And you're going to come over here and you're going to go point up, point down. You're going to give one round eye. And you're going to give an oval shape. Cute. Now you're going to come over here to this side and you're going to draw a straight line like this. And then you're going to come up like this. And then you're going to do this, you're going to go whoosh, 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 whoosh. Kind of make those a little big, those are the petals unfolding. Then we're going to put one dot right here. This is kind of like a big sunflower where they have the little dots. One here, one here. And then we're going to put 3 at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Alright, then you're going to come here and you're going to very lightly give it a wavy line all the way down to the bottom. Good. And on this side, you're going to follow that. Not too thick. We don't want too big of a stem. You're going to follow that wavy line back.
A little thick.
It's okay. Looks good. It's fine. Remember, this is your art. Your mom will love it because it's made from your heart. Alright, then you're going to come right here and you're going to give one loop petal like this. And you're going to come over here and give another loop petal like this. And then you're going to come here and give one loop petal like this. And then you're going to write your name right down here at the bottom. Go ahead and write your name, sign your art. Very best writing. Good. Then you're going to turn your paper over. Turn your paper over onto the back. Or if you have a separate piece of paper, you could do this on a separate piece of paper. But we're going to go ahead now and write on here. So I want you to do a capital H, line down, and across. You can do it on the separate or on the back. And then you're going to do a whole circle and a straight line down. Try to do your very best writing. You're going to come right here, go line down. Pick up your pencil and a whole circle. And you're going to do another one, line down. Pick up your pencil, whole circle. 2 P's. And then you're going to come over here and you're going to go a little diagonal. Pick up your pencil, diagonal. And what word did we just write? Happy. So then you're going to come under it and you're going to write an uppercase M. Line down, line down, line down. And then we're going to do a whole circle for O. We're going to think, what 2 letters say the? T, H. What 2 letters say E, R. Says happy mother. Then we're going to put our little apostrophe up there, and we're going to make it mothers, so we need an S right there. Happy Mother's Day. So we're going to put our big D here. Then we're going to do whole circle line down. We're going to do diagonal here and a diagonal there. And we're going to put an exclamation mark down, dot. And just so we can remember the year, we're going to put the year 2020, 2020. Then you're going to write love, big L, O, V, E, L-O-V-E, and you're going to put a comma, little mark like that. You're going to write your name after it. If you want to add more onto your letter, I love you, anything you want, go ahead and write it on the back. All right, don't forget to put your name after love. I'm going to leave that up for one more second just to make sure you have it up there. Happy Mother's Day 2020. Love and your name. All right. I think Anna's got that part. Chloe, it looks like she's working on a secret message, so I won't look. So that's that. Now, what you get to do is you get to decide how you want to make your birds. If we were in class, we would be painting the birds with our watercolors, but you can choose to use markers, you can choose to use crayons, you get to decide what you want to do. This is one that Chloe made in kindergarten, and we watercolored it. So be thinking about the grass, the stem, we made it a sunflower. What colors do you want those birds? Remember, if you do choose to use your watercolors, less water will really help you stay in those lines. If you have a Sharpie, when you're all done, you can go back if you want and trace around your shapes with a Sharpie. See how this is done in a Sharpie? Maybe you could ask a grown-up to help you with that part, but you don't have to do it with a Sharpie. It's totally up to you. But we just wanted to give you an idea of some things to be thinking about this week, because Sunday is Mom's Day. So you have lots of time now to be coming up with some secret little ideas. And remember, it's okay if it's not a secret this year, because everything is a little bit different. Your moms will love it.
On Mother's Day, I gave her a present and I made her breakfast.
Ooh, yes, so good ideas. You can leave little breakfasts. You can make little notes. Anything. Just show that you appreciate them and let them know how much you love them. So we'll really quickly show. Here's Chloe's. And here's, I'm not going to peek, Anna's. And remember, if you want to add extra details to it, that's your choice. All right, bye everybody. We hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget Mother's Day on Sunday. Bye. Take care.